Now the next question in paper 2 physics is question number 37. In this question, a spring block system is given. Force constant is given 2 Newton per meter. Coefficient of friction is given 0.1. Mass of the block is given 0.18 kg. Right? It is given in the question that it comes to rest for the first time after covering the distance. Suppose this distance is represented by symbol x, that is 0.06 meter. Here velocity is 0. Here impulse is given, suppose with velocity v. The block starts moving over the rough horizontal surface. We know the work energy theorem from work energy theorem. Work done by all the forces is change in kinetic energy. So work done by normal reaction will be 0, work done by mg will be 0, then work done by friction will be negative because it is acting leftward. Spring force, the work done by spring force will be negative because the spring is compressed. So work done by friction force is minus mu mg into x. Work done by spring force is minus half kx square is equal to final kinetic energy is 0 minus initial kinetic energy is half m square. Put all the values given in the question. Minus mu 0.1, mass is 0.18, g 10, x is 0.06, minus half k is 2, 0.06 square is equal to minus half 0.18 into v square. After calculating, we will get the value of v, that is 4 by 10, and it is given in the question that the velocity is found to be n by 10. It means the answer will be 4. The value of n is 4. Right? For this question the answer is 4.